step into the 2011 Ford Taurus SHO. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are auto-dimming mirrors, tachometer, multi-function steering wheel, power lumbar seat, trip computer, vanity mirrors, body color bumpers, and outside temperature gauge. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.